Trees are usually way taller than us, and getting their height is not as easy as running a tape measure up the trunk. To measure tree height, most foresters use a laser rangefinder. A rangefinder can measure the distance to an object by calculating the time it takes for a laser to leave, bounce off, and return to the rangefinder. Time is then converted into a distance. The rangefinder will also record the angle at which a measurement was taken. With only distance, angle, and the Pythagorean theorem, we can calculate tree height. The Pythagorean theorem states that for a right-angled triangle, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Since we're working with distances, we're going to refer to a as horizontal distance, b as vertical distance, and c as slope distance. Almost every shot you take with a laser rangefinder will be a slope distance by default, unless it's completely level. But since the laser rangefinder also takes an angle measurement, there's a formula that it uses that converts a slope distance into a horizontal distance. The formula is horizontal distance is equal to slope distance times the cosine of the angle. It's important that when you're measuring horizontal distance, you want to shoot directly to the bark of the tree and make sure that you're not hitting any foliage that might be in the way. Most rangefinders will take 3 measurements to calculate tree height, the first being horizontal distance. The second measurement is taking a lower angle to the base of the tree, which we'll call L, and the third measurement is taking an upper angle to the canopy of a tree, which we'll call U. Height is equal to the horizontal distance multiplied by the tangent of angle U plus the tangent of angle L. If the base of the tree is above the horizon or the top of the tree is below the horizon, the rangefinder will subtract the tangents instead of adding them together. If you don't have a laser rangefinder, you can do these exact same calculations for tree height, but just do these calculations from a fixed distance so that you automatically know horizontal distance. You can get your angle calculations by using a clinometer like this one, or a compass, or even an app on your phone. For accuracy, it's best that you do your angle measurements far enough away from the tree so that the angles don't become extreme. I recommend going a distance about 60 to 70 feet away and seeing how that feels for your angle measurement. But just remember, you always want to take your angle measurements from the same place that you took your horizontal distance. I'm going to make some videos in the future for more complex situations you might find with tree height, so make sure you follow if you want to see them.